lawyer. Them have to be doctor. Them have to be police. Them have to be security. Them have to be a caretaker. And how much teacher go in them pocket and give pitney money at daytime to go buy food? Want to know how much pitney? Want to know how much teacher do that? Want to know nothing about teaching? Want to know nothing about it? The Ministry of Education, when uno in a Jamaica, when they should have blocked the road and light fire, to have found out that the Ministry of Education stole, thief, $900 billion unaccounted for. And the teachers could not get a 20% increase. They could not get it. They could not get it. But the politicians who thief the money, give them friends, raise them salary, 300% increase, to walk around and capture the lands, to walk around, don't give we no water, walk around, don't give we no roads, walk around and cuss bad word. Cuss bad word, politicians get up and I cuss all bad word after we. Patsy say, you sound hurt. Me not hurt. Me friggin' hurt. There's a difference between hurt and friggin' hurt. Me friggin' hurt. You know why? Because too many of us in Jamaica are comfortable. Oh, leave them to Jesus. God will deal with them. God will deal with them. Leave them to Jesus. Jesus. No understand, man. No, man. I don't think Patsy is disrespecting me. She's only saying I sound hurt. But I'm referring to the two-party. Of course, people, anybody who know me shall know we are referring to the two-party. When we come over here on my platform, we're not talking about the flipping green and the damn orange. We're talking about us as Jamaicans and what we are face. There are labor rights without water. There are labor rights who walk on bad road or to pop them foot. There are Pnp without water, independent without water. They're Jamaicans without water from 1931. From 1931. Let me tell you something now. Eh? And people look at me and say, somebody say, you showed your colors. Of course. I would not voting Andrew Michael Holness. Me not come and say, if you discuss politics, and I really come if you talk about my crypto. But I'll tell you why. I cannot vote for the man. Why? Because I'm in a light green. You know, I don't do that. Where were you in 2015? When the election was going to call for 2016? When I was in Bahamas? The only reason why me never vote for Andrew in a 2016, I become me did that Bahamas. Me did live for Bahamas. I was happy when the young man won for Jamaica. We said, boy, I could see a different leader. The whole country was excited for a change, from America to push Batmanism in the country. And take money from Canada to push Batmanism. A fool prime minister. Where for the first in the history of the country, the office of the prime minister is under investigation for illicit enrichment. So now can make it look like we are make up things for Andrew Holness. We now make up nothing upon him, man. Everything where people put out in this a lie. Every friggin' thing. A lie. Nothing goes up. Propaganda. What the proof? All when the proof are staring on the friggin' face. All when the proof are staring on in the face. A lie. We can't please you. There's no way we can't please you. All people for please you. All people for please you. We're doing so damn shallow. Last year, I went into Bottom Alzal in a Clarendon. As a constituency for Pernell Charles' son, Pernell Charles Jr., will come and chat off in face and debate. I want to get up tomorrow, man, and drive to Bottom Alzal After you pass the church, grow on further in our community, a labor right. Huh? Somebody say my name killer. Then oh, yo, we're not afraid of death. This is why the country can't grow, because people are scared of people who bleed, just like me and you. We're not scared of people who bleed. We're not scared of some idiot. Huh? When you go to bottom all, when me interview the people them, no water no in the jump. The lady look at me, she said me a 59-year-old. She said me a 59-year-old. Me never get water in my pipe yet. Yes, when me look, me say, where the toilet? Not a toilet. Them say when night come, they defecate in a bag. And them spin it round. They call it parachute and throw it away. You think a joke they make? How much you do that? You see no politician picking your shit in the bag and dash away? And you talk about, if me hurt? If me hurt? You think what I mean, if we go in a representational politics, you think what I mean going there, me go be partial to PNP and leave out Jeb. Me no business about which community you come from. Road for go here, so me no care who live there. Water for go here, so me no care who live there. When the people that look at me, them say, yo, my youth. Them say, dog, you rough round the end of that thing. Me say, you don't have to tell me. Latrine toilet. You don't know when you're latrine toilet. It don't matter how you pretty it up when you tap in there. And you lift up a piece of something. We cover the open pit. The board structure around the little hole. When you lift up it, and if you go in there, go sit down, fly, roach in the thing. No school here, man. No school here, man. No school. No, what a clock a strike, man. No good. Eh? And we're not talking about something we just come up last year, so give them a chance. Eh? From 1930 when the people them a shit. A bush. Them a shit a bush. School here, man. When I look at our little girls, our little baby girls, our little baby girls, our little baby girls, with their dignity, have to sit over those stench and to deal with that. You know how much germs they can pick up? Huh? Somebody say, why they don't speak out? You don't realize that nobody can talk in our country. You don't realize that nobody can talk in our country. Nobody can talk in our country because we don't allow 63 people and couple disgusting, dirty thinking police. We don't know the police, we don't know the trunk of them. We don't allow them to control the country. We don't allow them to control the country. Joke, man. Joke business. Move away from that, where we have government that looks out for Jamaicans. Jamaicans. No color. No creed. Boy, look at me now. Hey, I don't know why me can't talk, so. Guess why? Because me no work for nobody. No boy no control my money. None. Cryptocurrency. So no boy can send a letter to no government office and say, find some reason to fire him. You can't fire me, drag girl. You can't fire Marvin. Never. Never. You can't fire me. Eh? Somebody said you should make a video and let them see what you're talking about. I did a video. I did the video. As a matter of fact, the video they cost me a couple $1,000 because the guy come with a little phone and do a video. And I did not post it. I shared it with my independent political group. I did not post it because the spirit did not give me the go-ahead to post it at that time. So me still have it. Me still have it. Here, listen to me carefully. The water stops at the church. There's a big church at Batamalzal. I dare say the water stopped. And has stopped for years. Years. All they have to do is to run a pipe. And the people them connect and set up the meter and can pay them water bill. Just like ordinary Jamaicans and politicians who go home to hot and cold water every night. And go home to running water in a sink. And can easily turn on a shower and have a bath. Them and them family. Wanna listen to me now? Years, decades, the water na move from this. You know what the politician did? You know what them do? Let me tell you what them do. It's not just one community now. And many. You know what the man them do? Them buy some big black tank. The big black tank them. They bought cement. They bought blocks. They bought steel. They built a big. Wanna listen to me now? Them built one big old platform in the center of the community. Rather than running the damn pipe, the man they make a structure, a concrete structure, with black tank panny. And use their friend, drum and truck, water truck, to go full up it. And write check, give their friend. And the citizens now have to push wheelbarrow and walk on roads that are treacherous. Bottles of water every day. While some of uno cock up on the foot on TikTok, run the pipe, wash your face nice, brush teeth nicely and over sink, and jump into your shower and bathe and feel good. And you don't understand that your Jamaican brothers and sisters, thousands of them, not one or two, thousands, not have nowhere for shit. Don't even have nowhere for shit. And this is what I'm going to vote for. I don't want people to celebrate and shower labor rights, shower and power, shower labor rights. The People's National Party got it. And they got it for years and should have fixed it and did not. The Jamaica Labour Party got it for years and have not. So what do we do? Because now we're at a crossroad now. Now we're at a crossroad. I'm going to ask you now, what I do? What I going to do? Is it the next 15 minutes? Is it the next 15 minutes? See the next 15 minutes, me I go over, go teach me class. See the phone number there? I'm going to teach about cryptocurrency and the investment. I don't want a boy come over there. Come disrespect my program. If you don't have no money for invest, don't come over there. If you don't have no money for invest, don't come over there. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not offering a financial advice. But one thing I can tell you, the economies globally are crashing fast. What you know about crypto? I know everything about crypto. I am the pioneer for cryptocurrency adoption. And if the government of Jamaica should listen to me, Jamaica can realize trillions of dollars by 2027. By 2027, the Jamaican government can realize a minimum of $3.3 trillion with just a $5 million investment right now. I've been saying it and they've been ignoring it. I've been saying it, and I say it tonight again, and we have 546 online who watch me. And the person them who watch when I really click on the live, but then did I watch when I listen to me and I hear me. 500 other as witness again. Marvin, Edgar, and Edgar been telling you, the government of this country, if I were you, I would buy the XRP cryptocurrency token and put it in the reserve for the country And I believe, based on what's happening out there, the amount of banks and countries and financial institutions that are going to adopt this asset, the value of this asset is going to be exponential. The country can literally receive trillions of dollars from this investment, and they should listen to me. All right. All right. No long Marvin, I tell them. No long me, I tell them. I tell them for a long time. Now listen, as a matter of fact, if they had listened to me from August of 2024, when XRP was at 25 cents, 25 cents, one XRP now have a $3. $3. They would have made a 12 times their investment. Do you know what is 12 fives? They had $5 million in the NIR. All they had to do is to come out of themselves and and stop trying to monopolize the entire system in the country. So the Bank of Jamaica wants to give you the central bank digital currency named Jamdex. Jamdex, which is a dangerous money. It's just like moving this money on chain. You know how no value really, more than the value where them put money. And it doesn't have the ability to be to scale. Scale means to really appreciate in value. Cryptocurrency has that ability. And not only that, the money, when you have CBDC dollar, the central bank digital currency, it's a programmable money. They can freeze everybody money one time. Somebody say, him know what him say. Ladies and gentlemen, I cannot discuss what you can invest or what you cannot invest here. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm going to keep a meeting in my Telegram group that was designed. It's a filter group, but my final group, my private group, are for persons who would have invested. I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to show you how to get out of this dirty system. And no government can stop you. They can block your transactions, which they have been doing. But they can't tap you because cryptocurrency is free. Cryptocurrency is free. Yeah. Choo-choo. They can't tap it. As a matter of fact, you don't need no JP to get involved. You don't need the justice of the peace. You don't need nothing. Once you can get your assets, yeah, man. I have already told you don't even need me. Choo-choo. The impressive man said, choo-choo. Yeah, choo-choo. I have another 10 minutes to go to start my class. You see, after tonight, oh my God. I have a plan. I have a plan laid out for persons who are serious. And that's why I'm going to have the meeting tonight. It's only for persons who are serious. I already have